Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Thinkific easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and go to the Thinkific website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill out the required information and follow the prompts to set up your new account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Click on the Products tab in the left sidebar. Select New Course to start creating your investment course. Choose a name for your course that clearly reflects its content. Enter a course description to give potential students an overview of what they can expect. Select a course format that suits your content type, whether it's video, text, or a combination. After setting up the basics, move on to the curriculum section. Here, you can create modules and lessons for your course. Use engaging content like videos, slides, and quizzes to enhance the learning experience. Once your curriculum is ready, navigate to the pricing section. Decide on a pricing model: one-time payment, subscription, or payment plan. Set a price that reflects the value of your course while being competitive in the market. After pricing, go to the Settings tab to customize other course options. Adjust your course visibility and enrollment settings according to your preferences. Next, click on the Launch button to make your course available to students. Promote your course using social media and email marketing to reach a wider audience. Monitor student engagement and feedback to continuously improve your content. Consider adding additional resources or bonuses to increase course value over time. Now you're ready to start investing your knowledge into Thinkific and reach learners worldwide. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.